Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Electro Dragon Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners, just like I'm making a birthday card, and I'm going to give it a nice fold down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and give it another nice fold just like this. Now, when I open this up, I've got these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up. Now to start off with our Electro Dragon, let's begin by drawing the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up for the pupil. And I'm going to go ahead and color most of that in, leaving just a little bit white. Next, I'm going to go down and then bring this line across. And then I'm going to bring this line up and then down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line over. And then for the horn, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up to a point, and then it's going to come down. Then I'm just going to curve this around here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line out and down to here. And then I'm going to make a little curve for the nose with a little line around it. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come back here. Then I'm going to bring this up. I'll put a little line underneath the eye. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line up to a point, and then down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. And then right here, I'm going to make another line that's going to curve over. Over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down for a spike, and then one more here. Now, our next step is to draw a line that's going to come out and then down for the stomach. And then I'm going to make two lines here, and then two lines here for some different details. Now my next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now when I open this up, I have two halves of my Electro Dragon. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down to here. And then I'm going to bring it over. I'm going to go down and up here. I'm going to go over. And then I'm going to go down and up again for another tooth. Next, I'm going to bring this line over. I'm going to come down, over, and then up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down. Then I'm going to bring this line up and down. Then I'm going to bring this line over, and I'm going to curve it up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line all the way down. Next, I want to put the tongue in here. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up. I'm going to bring it to a point and down to here. Now the next thing is I want to make some lightning in here. So I'm just going to make some kind of wavy, pointed, bumpy lines that just kind of go down to here and then up. And then I'm just going to make a few more that come out, and we're just going to make them kind of come all over. Next I'm going to make a few that are just going to come right around to here. And a couple more over here too. And then we'll make a couple more little lines right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to come down to here and go right to there. And then I'll make one more line right here. And we're just going to go all the way down to here. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Electro Dragon from the Clash of Clans. When I have it all closed up, I have the dragon looking really menacing, and then when you open it up, he's doing his electric blast. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.